Hello friends, welcome to Sql Code Writing. Today we can check CTE in SQL. So CTE means Common Table Expression. So CTE is a temporary reset that we can reference within the select, insert, update, delete. Just like a DML statement, we can use this CTE. So how to create a CTE? The syntax is just like with CTE name. Here we can specify the columns, column 1, column 2, just like. And after that we can use as. After that we can open one parenthesis. Here we can use the CTE query. After that we can close that CTE parenthesis. After that we can use this CTE. Here we can just select the stuff from CTE. Okay. So this is the syntax. We can check with one example. So we have one table, customer. Okay. Customer contains customer ID, name, address, and email. Okay. We want to create a simple CTE. We want to display all customer details. Okay. In this case, we can use. So we want to display all details. Then we don't want to use the columns. Okay. Here we can use with CTE as. We can open one parenthesis, and here we are using select star from customer. Okay. Select star from customer. Okay. And after that we can close this CTE and this parenthesis. Okay. So this data is now with this CTE name, with the CTE cost. Okay. So after this we can use select star from this CTE cost. Okay. So we can just execute this. Now we will get the CTE result. You can see we are getting customer ID, name, address, and email. Okay. Here we can use multiple tables with joins, everything also. Okay. So this is simplicity. We are just using display all details. Okay. We want to get specific columns. Okay. We want to just display customer ID and name. Okay. So that we can use with CTE. Here we can use customer ID, comma name. Okay. We want to in this time, this customer, we are using select star from customer. So this will contains 4 columns. Okay. So in this case, we will execute. This will not work. Okay. Here we are specifying 2 columns. Okay. That's why this will not work. Otherwise, we will use. We need to specify the particular columns only. Then we need to use like this with CTE customer ID, comma name as. Here we can use customer ID, comma name. So in this table, in this query, we are displaying 2 columns, right? So we will execute this, then we will get output. Okay, customer ID. Okay, we are specifying this customer ID and name. That time also we are not using these columns. Then also this will work because we are in the outer query we are passing this customer ID and name. Okay, this execute. Now also we are getting the result. Okay. Next, the CTE is used after immediately follow the CTE. Okay, the CTE query we can use after this CTE. After this parenthesis, we need to use this CTE. Okay. So here we can check. We are using select CTE with the CTE customer ID name as. Here we are using customer ID comma name from customer. After that, we are using one other select variable. Okay. After that, we are using this CTE select star from CTE cust. Okay. This time, this will not work. You can just execute this. No, this will not work. Okay. So this CTE will work after this parenthesis. Okay. So this will work immediately follows this CTE. Okay. We need to use this CTE after this first statement. Okay. Can just execute. Now it's working. Okay. Okay. Thank you.